let's go. The Smack and Seeds came in, and I can't wait to try them out. Got your backyard barbecue. Got your cracked pepper. Your cinnamon churro. I cannot wait to try these. Your OG original flavor. Your dill pickle. And the garlic parmesan. All right, we're going to do a quick taste test on the cinnamon churro. All right, guys. Next is the dill pickle. Tastes just like it. OG flavored. Let's go. Good. Garlic parmesan. All these are fire. These are really good. Next up is the cracked pepper. This one's all right. It's not my favorite. Now, backyard barbecue, the one I've been waiting for. That's the winner. That was really good. So this is my preference. The backyard barbecue being the best and the cracked pepper being the least. The seed side is great, and the flavor on these things are really good. If you like sunflower seeds, I highly recommend these. Check these out on the TikTok shop.